You just moved into a new apartment. You open an app to help you furnish it, and the first thing it shows you is this: a beige sofa, a farmhouse dining table, an industrial floor lamp. It's like the app has never met you. And that's because it hasn't. This is the cold start problem, and every recommendation system has it. Spotify has it, Netflix has it. Every time a new user shows up, the system is flying blind. The standard fix? Ask people what they want. Fill out a questionnaire. Rate some things. But here's the problem with that. People are terrible at describing their own taste. Ask someone if they like minimalist design, and they'll probably say yes. And then immediately fall in love with a room that's anything but. What if there were a way to measure taste? Not with labels, but with math. Think about color. Any color you can see can be described with just 3 numbers: red, green, and blue. Change one number and the color shifts. Every possible color lives somewhere in that 3-number space. Aesthetic DNA works the same way, except instead of 3 dimensions, there are 18. And instead of color, they measure taste. Each dimension is a spectrum, not a yes or no, but a where do you sit. Take warmth. On one end, cool steel and concrete. On the other, aged wood and linen. Or pattern complexity. On one end, clean surfaces, 0 pattern. On the other, Moroccan tiles, botanical prints, layered textiles everywhere. 18 dimensions like this. Together, they create a unique position in aesthetic space, your aesthetic DNA. Now, 18 numbers are precise, but they're not exactly dinner party conversation. So we created archetypes, 10 of them, to give the vector a human name. The warm minimalist wants calm, but not cold. The bold sensualist wants drama in every surface. The moody romantic wants depth, weight, and emotion. But here's the important thing. You're not just one archetype. The archetype is a starting point. The vector is you. So where does this data actually live? It's not a feature you click on, it's the infrastructure underneath everything Palazzo does. Every piece of furniture that enters the system gets scored. A sofa arrives with vendor metadata, brand, material, style, labels. The system reads those labels and matches them to canonical styles. Each canonical style has a seed vector, a handcrafted position in that 18-dimensional space. The product inherits that vector. Now it has an aesthetic DNA. This means every product is searchable by aesthetic similarity. Not just show me sofas, but show me sofas that feel like this room. And it doesn't stop at search. When Palazzo generates a styled room, the DNA guides the generation model. It's using the actual vector values to shape the output. An AI vision model looks at each product image and scores it across all 18 dimensions individually. Not this is mid-century, but this specific chair scores 7.2 on warmth, 3.1 on pattern, 8.4 on organic. That means the system can do true one-to-one matching. Your specific taste profile is 82% similar to this specific chair. And on the user side, a quiz. 10 questions, under 2 minutes. You see rooms, you react. On the other end, a precise 18-dimensional portrait of your taste. The quiz completes the triangle. Product DNA, style DNA, and now user DNA. 3 vectors, 1 space. Everything is computable. Most platforms ask what you like, and then they show you what everyone else liked too. Aesthetic DNA doesn't ask what you like, it measures who you are, and then it computes what's yours.